Hello, welcome to Learning with Liebenhout. My name is Bryan Hesser. I'm the Family Law Senior Associate here at Liebenhout Law. Today I'm going to talk to you briefly about equitable distribution. Equitable distribution is the act in a divorce of splitting up the marital assets and liabilities amongst the parties. Typically, what's considered marital is what was accrued during the marriage. And when I say during the marriage, I usually mean from the date that you got married until the date that one of the parties files for divorce. Anything, for the most part, accrued during that time is considered marital. Of course, there's a few caveats to that. If there was something purchased with inheritance money or gifted solely to one party, that starts to get a little more convoluted. But for the most part, you're looking at what was purchased or what was taken out during the marriage. Anything taken out or purchased prior to the marriage is typically considered premarital. Anything taken out or purchased after filing for divorce is typically considered postmarital or non-marital. For the most part, again, there are a lot of caveats. There are, certain circumstances where parties might purchase a house before the marriage and then get married afterwards, but because they purchased it together, you're probably considering that to be marital anyways. There's a lot of different circumstances, but for the most part, you're looking at what was purchased or any liabilities or debt taken out from the date of the marriage until the date of filing for divorce. Usually from there, once you have a good list of values for all marital assets and liabilities, you put them into a chart, divide them up between the two parties, and try to come to an even number at the end. There's a difference between the word equitable and the word equal. Equitable means fair, whereas equal, is the same, equal. So usually what's fair is equal, even distribution amongst the two parties, but there are certain circumstances where an unequal distribution is what's equitable between the parties. Certain circumstances of that might be if one party wasted or dissipated marital assets unilaterally during the marriage. That means that they wasted money, and so the other party might need to be paid back some of that money, and therefore they might walk away with a little bit more in equitable distribution to kind of pay off that dissipation of assets. And there's a few other examples as well. That's it for equitable distribution. Thank you.